Sour-Bee Crunchy. These are, I'm Jerry Fort. Over on the other side of the bag is Jeremy Fort. And we're going to do a snack review real quick. This is Pirate's Booty Crunchy Treasures. Aged white cheddar. See that there? These were in these have been reduced in price. Never had them before. Look like something you'd buy for the kids. You know, the 99 cents is how much these were. There's the sticker back there. Reduced price sticker. Aged white cheddar. Baked rice and corn puffs. No artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives. They're gluten-free. 0 gram trans fat per serving. This is a 4-ounce bag. It says they're new. Up there in the corner. Don't know how long this bag's been sitting in there, but it says Pirate Brands. Try our other fun, delicious snacks. Smart Puffs, Genius, and Original Tings Crunch On. Ingredients are cornmeal, expeller pressed canola oil and or sunflower oil, rice flour, maltodextrin, organic cheddar cheese, milk cultures, salt, enzymes, organic buttermilk, powder, salt, natural flavor, citric acid, organic skim milk, and sea salt, black pepper extract, and it contains milk. Distributed by Pirate Brands LLC out of Parsippany, New Jersey. Okay. Okay. You see how big this bag is? There's this much in there. That much. That's a little bit ridiculous. Come on. See how it looks like that someone's been eating on our bag of crunchies. Not many in there. You know, they look like honeycomb cereals, don't they? They had that color, kind of a white vanilla, even that one looks like a honeycomb.
It's supposed to be the wheel.
Oh yeah, the wheel of the ship. Yeah, true. Yeah, I'm getting the cheddar cheese aroma. Kind of an artificially kind of aroma for the cheddar cheese. They smell good. Get you one, Jeremy. A couple. Well, they don't smell too bad. Let's see. They're crunchy.
Kind of bland.
They're bland. They're lacking a lot. All that ingredients on here. I wonder. Oh, I missed this story. Ahoy, mateys! After sailing far and wide, we're sure there's no tastier reward on sea or on land than our brand new Pirate's Booty Crunchy Treasures. Baked with simple, delicious ingredients, our aged white cheddar treasures come in 4 shapes picked by the pirate himself. Crunchy the parrot, anchors, X, marks a spot, and steering wheels. At Pirate's Booty, we've always believed that snacks should be fun and delicious too. This is a belief we've been sharing with families since 1987. So bring our new treasures home to your crew and discover just how amazing snack time can be. I'm a little disappointed in these, I have to say.
They didn't really try real hard on the shape either.
No. Here's X marks your spot.
My anchor looks kind of sad.
Is that an anchor?
Yeah.
Look like a hammer. Mm-hmm.
It used to be an eater.
The flavor is just not really big. Very, very light. If they made it that way for health reasons, to make them like a healthy type kid snack, I can understand that, but baked rice and corn puffs. Yeah, I'm getting some riciness.
No artificial flavors.
No artificial flavors or preservatives. Gluten free. There you go. 0 grams trans fat per serving. So they're a healthy kid snack. You think?
They're basically diet Cheetos.
There you go. Basically diet Cheetos. Pretty much. Well, I'm fat, but I want some flavor with my food, with my snacks. If you need to get healthy snacks, these would be good for you. And if I was told by my doctor, Jerry, you need to start eating healthy snacks, well, I would think about these. I'd say, okay, well, I'll try those again. But I'm getting that aged white cheddar. It's a little sour, just a little bit. Getting that, just a little bit. Gotta drink some of my Rooster Booster.
Is that where the skim milk comes into play?
Could be, yeah. Yeah. Okay, well, hope we found this entertaining enough to keep watching all the way through to the end. If this sounds like something for you, then try them out. Maybe you'll like them. Might be for you. Okay, well, thanks for watching. We appreciate it, and we will see you on the next one. Have a good weekend. Bye.